back, beautiful family. Today I want to share with you a very delicious chicken drumsticks in orange sauce that I know you guys are going to love. But first things first, my apron is on, my hands are clean, and I am ready to show you my ingredients. To prepare these delicious drumsticks in orange sauce, these are the ingredients. I have vegetable oil, 2 tablespoons of unsalted butter, 2 tablespoons of cornstarch, 2 packages of sazon Goya, 4 garlic cloves, black pepper, pink Himalaya salt, 3 oranges, organic from my garden, half an onion, half a bell pepper, and of course the star, the chicken drumsticks. Let's get started. Let's make this amazing recipe at home. I want to start first with the chicken with the drumsticks. I am going to add some black pepper, 1 tablespoon of black pepper. To this, I am going to add some salt. Remember that the salt is to taste. Once you cover everything, make sure that you really rub in all the black pepper and the salt. Once everything is nice and coated, then we are ready. Let's go to the stove. I have a pan with 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil. I am going to start adding the pieces of chicken here. I am going to get them nice and crispy, locking all those amazing flavors inside the drumsticks. Look at this. This is a very easy and delicious recipe that I know you guys are going to love. Look at this. Of course, you could use any part of the chicken you want to use for this amazing recipe in this orange sauce. Well, now I am going to start slicing my oranges and getting the juice out of the oranges. I need 2 cups of orange juice. And with this little gadget, nothing stays behind. Look at this. Of course, I am going to continue getting the juice out of the oranges. These oranges are organic from my garden. Look at this. My mouth is already watering. I can't wait to make and enjoy this recipe. Well, now that I have the 2 cups of oranges, I am going to continue with my 4 garlic cloves that I'm going to press, and then I'm going to dice in very small little pieces. I want the garlic to really infuse the orange juice. When you dice it really small, it's really going to penetrate the orange juice really good. And here I'm going to add the diced garlic. I'm going to add the sazon Goya. And I am just going to incorporate it, making sure that everything is well incorporated. And this is done. We are going to go ahead and put it aside. The smell, the aroma, just amazing. Here I have half of my bell pepper that I'm going to cut in very small pieces. I have half an onion, and I'm doing the same thing. I'm going to dice it the same size. And of course, we have this ready. Let's go and see the chicken. Now we are ready to start flipping every single one, making sure that we really get them nice and golden brown. Look at this. They look amazing, and they're gonna be so juicy and so crispy from the outside.
Now I am ready to add the bell pepper and the onion, making sure that both sides of the drumsticks are nice and golden brown. Once you add your onion and your bell pepper, you're going to go ahead and add the orange juice. Move it around, making sure that everything is coated. Now you are going to add your cornstarch. Add enough water to the 2 tablespoons of cornstarch so that they really dissolve completely the cornstarch. Look at this. Move it around, making sure that it looks almost like milk, really incorporated. And when this is done, just add it directly on top, just like that. Move it around. Lower your heat to medium heat. Cover it for 20 minutes. And after 20 minutes, well, let me tell you, you are ready to enjoy this amazing chicken in this orange sauce. It gets really thick, runny, but let me tell you, the flavor, the aroma, and the chicken is really crispy from the outside, but yet it locked all the flavor inside. Look at this. Look at the sauce. Of course, with the onion and the bell pepper, this is just amazing. And here I am ready for the presentation plate. I can't wait to enjoy, and I'm going to enjoy it with steamed rice. You could enjoy it with steamed rice, you could enjoy it with noodles or pasta, you decide. But just add enough of that orange sauce on the top. Look at this. This looks amazing. If you liked and loved this recipe, please leave me a thumbs up. Be part of Cooking with Gloria so that you enjoy all my delicious and amazing recipes. Of course, this is my plate. I added some white rice, steamed rice, and now I am ready to enjoy. I can't wait to enjoy, so I'll see you in just a little bit.
My friends, I am completely done with this amazing chicken drumsticks and this amazing orange sauce. Of course, I added some steamed rice, but this is the part I really love and enjoy, tasting my recipes. Excuse me. The chicken is really tender, moist, soft. The flavors of the orange just so penetrated. I know you guys are going to love it. And the sauce, nice and thick. If you liked and loved this amazing recipe, I invite you to subscribe, leave me a thumbs up, share this video on social media with your friends, with your relatives, so Cooking with Gloria keeps growing. Don't forget to push that notification bell. And if you did, leave it activated. So every time I make an amazing recipe, yes, you're going to be notified. Before I say I see you soon, I wish you nothing but the best. Peace and love. Thank you so much for being part of Cooking with Gloria. I will stay enjoying this amazing recipe. Like, subscribe, and share. See you soon. Bye-bye.